Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your files. Back up the mods folder and your save files so you can restore if needed. Next, remove all custom content to isolate crashes. Mods often conflict after updates. Once done, update the game and the EA client. Missing patches cause instability. These initial steps eliminate common causes and give you a clean baseline to test. Make sure to relaunch the client as administrator so updates apply correctly and you avoid permission issues. Now you diagnose the install, run repair in the EA app or Origin to fix corrupted files. This replaces missing or damaged game data. Then clear cache files, delete local thumb cache. Package and other cache files and documents to remove corrupt temporary data. After that, test mods by returning them in small batches. This helps identify a specific package causing a crash. If a batch crashes, you can narrow it down quickly by having the batch until you find the offender. Finish by resetting options, move or delete options. In ISO, the game regenerates fresh settings. Corrupted configs can crash the game. Update your GPU drivers and test with default graphics settings to rule out hardware or driver conflicts. If problems continue, create a new clean save and test the base game. This shows whether a save file is corrupted. Troubleshooting tip: if all else fails, reinstall the game after backing up saves and mods. Reinstallation resolves deep file corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.